Hi guys, today we'll discuss about Adhoc wireless internet. So we know what is meant by Adhoc network. Adhoc network is an infrastructureless network. So we are going to provide the internet access to this Adhoc wireless internet. That is, it's going to extend the services of the internet to the end user over an Adhoc internet. Through this wireless Adhoc network, we can able to provide an internet to the end user. Let us consider an example. Let it be a rural area. To this rural area, we need to provide a internet access. So there is no infrastructure. So in order to provide a proper internet to that particular area, we can we can set up a Adhoc wireless internet immediately without any infrastructure. After that, we can able to provide a internet through a gateway. So through the gateway, we can provide the internet to that rural area by framing your Adhoc network. So let we consider a application of the Adhoc network. So first application will be a wireless mesh network. So this wireless mesh network is implemented in any rural area where there is no infrastructure. Okay, so this wireless mesh network can able to connect your external network. So this wireless mesh network can able to connect your external network through your gateway. Through your gateway, we can able to connect your mesh network to your external network, and we can provide the internet access. Your second application is this will provide you a temporary internet service for your conference venue, sports venue, and for temporary military settlement and for battlement. And also this will provide you a broadband internet service in rural area. So this is about your Adhoc wireless network. Now we'll see the schematical diagram of your Adhoc wireless network. So you can able to see this is the TCP protocol stack. So we know OSI layer consists of 7 layer, and this TCP layer will have 4 layer. One is your application, transport layer, network layer, and your data link layer, and your physical layer is just combined. We'll call this network access layer. So we have 4 layer in TCP: application, transport, network, and your data link, and your physical layer will call here as network access layer. So what happens? We have to provide a internet for a Adhoc network. Okay, we need to provide a internet for a Adhoc network. So let we have a node or a station. This particular station need to transmit a information with a should provide a internet access. So what happen? It will go through your 4 layers: application, transport, network, and your last data link and physical layer. So we know application layer, this is all the protocol: HTTP, Telnet, and SMTP. And for transport layer, now one is your TCP, UDP. Next is your network layer. So your protocol will be IPv4 and IPv6, and last will be your data link combined physical layer. So we are going to use your wireless. Okay, so after this will be a wireless network. So what we are going to provide? We are going to provide a wireless internet protocol 802.11 wireless LAN. If we needs more speed, then we can move to a hyper LAN also. So what happened? This node will need to transmit information, and this need of access of your internet. So as we know, this Adhoc means interconnect. So your data will be moved from one node to other node. That is, it will forward its information until it reaches the destination. So this particular source node will be connected to its intermediate node. So this is your intermediate node. So the source node will transmit the information through its intermediate node. So this intermediate node also have the TCP layer, but it will be passed through only 2 layers. One is your data link physical layer followed by network layer. Why it is not moving to the application layer now? Because this intermediate node does not need to open the particular message, because only source is sending and the destination need to open. The intermediate node is the job is to forward the information. So it does not need to open. When you are opening this message only, we need to travel through this application layer. So this intermediate node does not need to travel to application. So it will travel only to your data link or physical, followed by your network layer. Now this information should be connected to your gateway, and this is we called as gateway. So this gateway, what happens? Okay, through this gateway we are going to provide the internet service. Okay, through this gateway we are going to provide the internet access. Now this gateway will act as a middleman in between two networks. Two networks now, one is your wireless network followed by wired network. So this left hand side will be a wireless network and your right hand side will be a wired network. So this two network will be interconnected by this gateway, and this gateway will connect your Adhoc wireless network to the subnet of your internet. Okay, so this I told you, this will going to connect your wireless as well as wired. Now that last layer, that is your data link as well as your physical layer, will have both the protocol of wireless as well as your wired protocol, because this will connect wireless as well as your wired network. So this last layer should have both the protocols of wired as well as your wireless. So you can see here, this is your wired. So your left hand side I told you it is a wireless. So wireless protocol will be 802.11, or if we need much speed and now we can move to hyperline. Now we need of your wired protocol. If we use wired protocol, now we can use your Ethernet. Okay, 802.3 is your Ethernet. And next we have 802.4. 802.4 now token bus. 802.4 token bus, and 802.5 protocol is your token ring. This is all your wired protocol. Okay, so now it is passing through this two layer data link and physical layer and followed by a network layer. Now what happened? This will connected to your, this gateway will be connected to your internet. So now this after providing this internet, this should be travel to your end user, that is to your particular destination. So what happened, when it reaches destination, it will need of your opening of your message. If you need to open up your message now, you have to travel up to your application layer. So we are going to travel through this four layer, that is your bottom layer, network layer, transport layer and your application layer. So this is a way we can able to provide a internet to your Adhoc wireless network. Thank you.